للسفر الطويل. تبلغ بالقليل من القليل، تبلغ بالقليل من القليل، وهيئ الزاد للسفر الطويل، وهيئ الزاد للسفر الطويل. تبلغ بالقليل من القليل، وهيئ الزاد للسفر الطويل، وهيئ الزاد للسفر الطويل. تبلغ بالقليل من القليل، تبلغ بالقليل من القليل، وهيئ الزاد للسفر الطويل، وهيئ الزاد للسفر الطويل.
This is the milestone. It's dropped at the moment. Back in the days, it used to be up. It's mentioned it's around 2,000 years old, roughly around 2,000 years old. What was these milestones? Like we mentioned, the national highway where the people that used to come for Hajj and Umrah, even prior to the Prophet ﷺ's time, they would use this route. So from 1 mile to another mile, they would spot another rock or another stone standing there, and that's how they would navigate the road, because they would know that this is the normal route that people are using, and that's why it's called a milestone. They would place these huge tall rocks, and people would pass by. So ulama mention, especially the ulama of Medina, they're saying that wherever you see a milestone, these are the routes where roughly around 70 Anbiya alayhi salam had passed by, because these are very old stones had been placed. In the Khilafat Abbasiyya, they were revived. So the same stones, but they were put more accurately into its places so that people can navigate their way between Mecca and Medina. It would serve like a billboard or a navigation in those times.
تبلغ بالقليل